Fundations Level K, Unit 1, Weeks 1 to 4, Reteach Small Group, presented by Marcia Hines. Welcome, kindergarten friends. It's me, Mrs. Hines. Let's get ready to learn. I'm so excited for our Foundations lesson today. Our objective is to practice letters in a fun way using our eyes, ears, and hands. Let's sit tall, focus, and prepare to skywrite some letters. Get ready to learn and have fun. When I show you a letter card, you'll say the letter name, keyword, and sound with me. Let's go. A, apple, A. G, game, G. C, cat, K. O, octopus, aw. U, up, up. I, itch, I. M, man, N, nut, T, top, T. B, bat, B. F, fun, F. Nice job. Let's see if we can go a little faster with our standard sound card review. A, B, B. C, K. F, F. G, G. I, M, N, O, T, T. U, Good job. Let's not forget to really extend those vowels. Say with me. A, apple. I, itch. O, octopus. U, up. Good job. Now it's time to skywrite some letters. We're going to write 3 letters together. Use your pointer finger in the air to make big letters. Using your pointer finger to make big letters in the air as you say the letter name and sound aloud helps us remember how to make the letter properly. We're going to start with the letter T. T is a skyline letter. Let's put our finger up in the air at the skyline. We're going to go down to the grass line, then cross on the plane line. T, top, T. Now you try. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, cross on the plane line. Good job. Let's practice the letter B. Trace the letter with your finger as I say the words. Start on the skyline, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, and go around to the grass line. B, bat, B. Now you try. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, and around to the grass line. Good job. Let's do one more. Let's practice writing the letter F. Skywriters up. F is also a skyline letter. Trace the letter with your finger as I say the words. Start on the skyline. Trace down to the grass line. Go back up to the plane line and cross in the middle. Let's say all together, F, fun, F. Now you try. Start on the skyline, trace back on the skyline and down to the grass line, then cross on the plane line. Good job. Try it one more time on your own. Now it's time to be sound detectives. We're going to listen to the beginning sound we hear in some words that I have for you. I'll say the word, you tell me what sound you hear at the beginning. Are you ready? Good. Let's start with the word man. Say the word with me. Man. What is the first sound we hear in the word man? You're right, it's the letter M. M says You can see that is the first letter in the word man. How about the word cat? Say it with me. Cat. What is the first sound we hear in the word cat? You're right, it's the letter C. C says k. Cat starts with the k sound. How about nut? What is the first sound we hear in the word nut? Say it with me. Nut. What letter makes the sound? You're right, the letter N. Let's say that sound again. Now take a look at this picture. It's a picture of a top. There's the word top below the picture. What is the first sound you hear in the word top? You're right, T is the beginning sound. What letter makes the T sound? Yes, the letter T. Let's say it together. T, T. How about the picture of a fish? What is the first sound you hear in the word fish? Say it with me. Fish. Ah, yes, it's the f sound. What letter makes the f sound? You're right, the letter F. Let's say it again all together. F, f. Good job. Now, let's switch it up a bit. I'll say the sound, you tell me the letter. What letter makes the B sound? Did you say the letter B? Good job. What letter makes the sound? You're right, the letter U. How about the letter A? What letter makes the A sound? Letter A. How about the letter A? What letter makes the A sound? Oh, it is. And finally, what letter makes the I sound? It's a little tricky. I. You're right, the letter I. Good job. Pat yourselves on the back. All right, now for a little fun. We're going to build it and tap it. Now we'll tap out a short word. Are you ready? The word is fun. Let's tap it together. F, How many sounds do you hear in the word fun? Let's count them. 1, f, 2, 3. You're right, 3 sounds, 3 letters. Let's tap it again. F, Do you think we can blend it together? Fun. Good job. How about the word man? Let's tap the sounds we hear in the word man. Let's blend those together. Man. Nice job, friends. How about one more word? Let's find the sounds in the word cat. Listen closely. K, a, t. Now let's tap those together. Tappers out. K, a, t. Let's blend those together to read the word cat. Good job. You're super readers for sure. All right, my friends, we've come to the end of our lesson. Remember, you can repeat this lesson anytime you want to practice those skills that we just learned. But before we end, let's do our cheer. Repeat after me. I know my letters. I know their sounds. I can tap and read small words now. Excellent job, kindergarten friends. Remember, you can watch this video again anytime to practice your Fundations letters. See you next time, and remember, good readers tap it out.